My dear child, today I want you to sit still and listen, not with your ears but with your heart. I see the exhaustion in your spirit, the silent battles you've been fighting alone. You've smiled through pain and kept walking even when you felt like giving up. But I was there every moment, every breath, every tear. I never left you, I never will. When you felt weak, it was my strength that carried you. When you were lost in confusion, I was guiding your steps quietly. You've asked me why things are taking so long. You've wondered if I've forgotten your prayers. But I tell you today, no prayer goes unheard. No tear falls unnoticed. I am working even now behind the scenes. What looks like delay is divine preparation. What seems like silence is me writing your victory. You've been prepared through the fire, not to be burned, but to shine brighter. I know your heart, and I have seen your faith. And even when your faith was small, I still stayed close. Because you are mine, you belong to me, and nothing can ever separate you from my love, not fear, not doubt, not mistakes. You are chosen, cherished, and deeply loved. Your breakthrough is coming. Your blessing is on the way. Don't give up before the miracle unfolds. Speak life over yourself. Say, I am loved. I am chosen. I am not forgotten. Because it's the truth. I am not finished with you yet. I'm building a story so powerful through your life that it will inspire others who are still walking in darkness. So stay close to me. Trust me a little longer, because the promise is real, and it's coming. Support the Christian community and help us spread God's love and word to more hearts. Consider donating $25 through Super Thanks to make a difference today. Your support matters. Type Amen if you believe in God.